Hello, my name's Naomi Howard, and I'm a physical chemistry researcher from Loughborough University and a recent grant recipient of the RSC Diversity and Inclusion Fund. I'm here to talk to you today about my project due to start next month in January 21 and to run for 18 months up until June 2022. My project, entitled Toolkit for Success, aims to target the significant loss of Black individuals after graduate level within chemistry, highlighted in a recent analysis undertaken by the very team responsible for this grant and indeed the event today. My project aims to achieve this by conducting research into the Black chemistry community and using the findings to advise on and plan specific interventions, with the ultimate goal of creating a virtual handbook to offer advice and signpost appropriate support systems for students and early year chemists, as well as offering guidance and information for key stakeholders, employers and decision makers within the field on creating a truly supportive and welcoming environment for minorities.
My name is Dr. Marcia Philbin. I am the Chief Executive of the Faculty of Pharmaceutical Medicine, the membership body for doctors who develop new medicines. I am delighted that the Royal Society of Chemistry's Inclusion and Diversity Fund is supporting our new project, Women in Pharmaceutical Medicine. In the pharmaceutical industry, the number of women in senior positions does not reflect the workforce. This situation is even worse for Black women. So the project has two key objectives. One, identify the barriers that impede the career advancement of women. Two, identify the additional barriers faced by Black women. Understanding the intersection between race and gender will expose the other hurdles that Black women face in their careers.
Let's shed light on the BAME contributions to science. Dr. Leslie Howell and Dr. Tipu Sharif, Queen Mary, University of London. Everyone is taught that Edison discovered the light bulb. However, he used a paper filament that did not last. Lewis Latimer, a Black American inventor, discovered a carbon filament that enabled the light bulb to become a useful device, but very few people have heard of him. Percy Lavon Julian faced humiliating segregation from his white classmates as an undergraduate. Upon graduating top of his class, teaching positions were refused due to his race, and he was rejected by Harvard to complete his PhD. Nevertheless, he persevered and rose to become a chemist of international standing. He pioneered the synthesis of steroids that gave relief to millions suffering from arthritis. The purpose of this project is to highlight the BAME contributions to the sciences, especially the chemical sciences, through the creation of teacher resources, that this be part of the national curriculum and thus inspire the next generation of BAME scientists.
Good day, everyone. I'd like to share some of the activities we have embarked upon in improving access and diversity in higher education. As we're all aware, chemistry combines and requires both observable and mental representation. And in doing so, we had to carry out two sets of activities that would combine these two approaches. One of the activity includes the use of learning periodic table, their mother tongue, and the other activity revolves around the fourth industrial revolution, whereby digitalization is put in place, where students are able to see chemistry via the naked eye, as well as use an app to understand some of this real-life chemistry. In conclusion, I would like to thank RSC, Royal Society of Chemistry, as well as Nelson Mandela University. Thank you.
Hello to all. I am Dr. Netili Zara, and together with Dr. Lata Gautam, we want to introduce you to our project, which relates to access and participation of Black chemists. More specifically, we aim to identify the factors that impact the studies and career progression of Black people in the field of chemistry. This was developed from the fact that higher education recruitment of Black students is only at 8%, and this decreases with academic progression in the field.
We will conduct two surveys, one using students as participants, those who are studying chemistry or equivalent subject areas. Then second survey using professionals who are working in chemistry-based organizations. We will invite them for one-to-one interview, and information gained will be used to prepare role model booklet. We also plan to host a workshop in July. To know more about our plans and activities, please come and visit us in our poster session later today. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Edwin Tandra, a senior bid manager with a chemistry background. I'm the initiator of a Royal Society of Chemistry funded diversity and inclusion project called Blackcamcon. Blackcamcon aims to create a knowledge exchange career progression forum for Black chemistry and chemical science professionals. The forum will seek to foster the understanding of career progression challenges faced by the community and to co-create solutions and best practice guidance for addressing the challenges. By sharing the outcomes of the project with the wider BME community, policymakers, employers, and public, we hope to drive the change that is needed to enhance career progression within the BME community and ultimately increase productivity, as per the findings of a recent UK government-backed study. Thank you.
Hi there, my name is Sandlim Tetwa and I'm a PhD student in chemistry with the University of Cambridge. I'm one of the team members of the group Africans in STEM. This year, we're embarking on a project entitled Black in STEM, where we seek to address the racial disparities that exist within the sciences. To do this, we're looking at the following. First, profiling and celebrating the success stories of Black people in STEM in the UK and all around the world. Secondly, to provide better support systems and platforms for Black students in the UK. And thirdly, to address racial unconscious bias and microaggressions that are specific to the sciences. In 2021, we are hosting 2 events. First, a webinar in February that looks at tackling unconscious racial biases and focusing on the relationship between students and their supervisors. The second one in April is a symposium where Black researchers and Black distinguished professors and people in industry come together and share their work and look at avenues for collaboration. For more information on our work, please feel free to visit our poster. Looking forward to having you. Thank you.